Hello friends. In this video we will discuss some tips to learn English in a better way. I can assure you that you can learn and apply English better by following my tips. I keep on making good contents for you on English learning. Please check out the playlist placed in the description. So, stay tuned and please subscribe my channel to motivate me so that I can bring up more contents on learning English. Learning English can be a rewarding experience, and there are various strategies you can employ to improve your language skills. Here are some tips to help you learn English effectively. Set clear goals. Define your objectives. Whether you want to improve your speaking, writing, reading, or listening skills, having clear goals will guide your learning process. Immerse yourself. Surround yourself with the language as much as possible. Watch English movies, listen to English music, and try to incorporate English into your daily life. Read regularly. Reading helps expand your vocabulary and improve comprehension. Start with materials that match your proficiency level and gradually progress to more challenging texts. Practice speaking. Speaking regularly is crucial for improving your fluency. Find language exchange partners, join conversation clubs, or practice with native speakers if possible. Use language learning apps. There are many apps designed to help learners practice English. Duolingo, Babbel, and Memrise are examples of popular language learning apps. Expand your vocabulary. Learn new words every day and try to use them in sentences. Flashcards, vocabulary apps, and word games can be helpful for memorization. Grammar practice. While it's important to focus on communication, understanding basic grammar rules will enhance your overall language proficiency. Use grammar books, online resources, or language learning apps for practice. Watch English videos with subtitles. Watching videos with subtitles helps improve your listening skills and allows you to see how words are pronounced. Choose a variety of content, such as movies, TV shows, and educational videos. Join online communities. Engage with English-speaking communities online. Participate in forums, social media groups, or language exchange platforms to practice and receive feedback. Take formal classes. Enroll in English language courses, either online or at a local institution. Formal classes can provide structure and guidance in your learning journey. Keep a journal. Write regularly in English. This can be a diary, a blog, or short stories. Writing will help reinforce grammar and vocabulary while allowing you to express yourself in English. Listen to English podcasts. Podcasts cover a wide range of topics and provide an excellent way to practice listening skills. Choose podcasts that match your interests and language proficiency. Be patient and persistent. Language learning takes time, and you will encounter challenges. Stay motivated, be patient with yourself, and celebrate small victories along the way. Remember that consistency is key when learning a new language. Regular practice and exposure to the language in various forms will contribute to your overall improvement. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to motivate me so that I can bring up more contents on learning English.